beautiful people. Is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell and always put thumbs up on my video anytime you watch my video. Thank you for watching and God bless you. My ogbonge people, lo, this kidnapping wey just the happen for Nigeria all the time. The thing they shocktalize me, like, seriously. Does it mean say no work again for Africa? We be say una go just they kidnap anyhow, they catch people. They come, they say make they bring big money. I don't understand, my darling people. Okay, see this one now when I just see just now. This one shocked me, like, because what make can shock me be say I don't believe say people go see this world where be say they'll just take that one, that kidnapping as work. They not go they do another thing. It no good. It no good. Now so they take made that shift that day now. Shift where be say it help una for una community. It dey help una. It go there share money give people. Una can go kidnap that kind of person. Una do and finish now. Una can see meme the man. That because the man say nothing waka again after the man after una don see collect money. A good man like that where they help una for una community. Now so una take meme am too. My people, sometimes I go they wonder if this our Africa people, I don't know the kind of hunger where they worry them. I don't know what it be their problem. I don't know. The thing they surprise me sometimes when I will see the way they behave. The thing they shocktalize me, like, seriously. My ogbonge people, I go put this one now where they cash now. Now God, they cash them. Okay, now they don't cash them. If they cash them, the way they say they do, you go they pity for them. You go they feel pity for them, but what did they do? What did they do? People where the be say if they cash them, you yourself, you go they shocktalize, you go surprise. Eh? Okay, now they don't cash them now. Now the one can they say, I beg, maybe police help them, not be their fault. They be no one do more. But that time we be say they never cash una. If these people kidnap person, you go they beg. May they even let that person, even though maybe they go say see money where you want bring. If the person say no, you not get that kind of money, the way these people go take behave. But if they don't cash, they know can they do like say maybe they pity for them. But that man won't make that day now. May he so rest in perfect peace. Person where they help una for una community, una go meme ram. The thing they surprise me the way Africa people say they behave. Eh? A chief will be say it did nice for una community there. See where they share money, give people everything. I don't want to talk for that video, but when I can't see this kidnapping again now, this one what they go do to this woman now. That make me say no. I will come talk and small and listen where ask police they catch them and darling people. Eh?
That for the motor. Then you can't do that time.
We plan it.
Yes.
After we plan it, from there we now goes to the place and took the woman to Ovia River. When we took her,
How did you people carry the woman?
we took her in a gas plant.
How many of you went?
Ogogo with about
Ogogo,
four
this
of
one.
them. Yes, this man that drove the vehicle.
This one drove the vehicle.
Yeah, with four of them inside the vehicle.
Yeah.
So they walked down to the woman's gas plant.
Yes.
Ogogo took the woman's vehicle key.
Yes,
And
that's
others
this
three,
one.
yes.
Yes.
And others people, others three of them.
Yes.
They carried the woman in Jeep away.
Okay. Which gun did you people use?
They used AK-47.
AK-47. Who brought it?
It was Ogogo that went to the Ovia and brought the gun with his
Child,
vehicle.
who is over here?
This man.
Raise up your hand. You are over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he was the one that brought the AK-47. Eh?
It is very cool.
With his vehicle.
Yes.
So who now? Where do you people now take the woman to? From Ogbola?
They went and dropped her in Lagos Ovia Bridge.
That bridge, that river.
Yes.
So what happened from there?
From there, they now took her to the boat.
Yes.
Took her to the trip.
Okay. How many days did she spend?
Spent about 4 days.
That time, where were you?
I was in my house.
In Benin.
Yes.
You didn't follow them to the crib.
No.
So how much now came?
The ransom they gave to me was 400.
400 is what you got.
Yes.
How much did they say was the total money?
They told me that the total money that they collected was 4 million.
4 million. Okay. Who is this guy? This one.
So
You know him?
he's a brother to Cotonou.
Okay, brother to Cotonou.
Yes.
Okay. Did he participate?
No, it's not part of it at all.
He didn't go?
No.
You don't even know him?
No.
Okay. Who's Cotonou?
It's me.
What's your name again?
Cotonou Edward.
Huh?
Cotonou Edward.
Cotonou Edward. Okay. So from your 400,000, what did you use it to do?
I used the 400,000 to buy only mattress and work on my car.
And a cab, this one they do somewhere that they interview. So now cab they do. He said when they go concentrate on the cab, he said now one of them now he wash and say make you can join this kidnapping.
That's all.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a cab man.
Huh?
I'm a cab man.
Cab man.
Yes.
Okay, that's the cabs. That's the cab you use. Huh?
No, it's my own personal one.
So you are a cab man. Why did you go into kidnapping?
It was Akate that brought the kidnapping issue. If not, I've never done such thing before.
So how do you feel now being here?
So I feel bad.
What about when your customers now see you now?
They will feel bad. They will be scared of me.
Cotonou?
Sir,
What's your name?
Cotonou Edward.
Where are you from?
I'm for Nukra community.
No, Via Southwest. What do you do for a living?
Me, I be weather.
Be weather. That's what they do weather.
Weather.
Now I never get my shop.
Where you for land?
Now for South Africa.
South Africa. Since you come, you never do at all.
This is why I come. First, they help one man for follow one man. We get store. They work for this local road by any younger near KVC. The help they for there the assistant. So that they give me small thing. If I go come out,
Go where?
I go come where the fees AC.
Okay, how you come to start kidnapping?
I never do kidnapping once in my life before.
So how this one come to happen?
When the Akate talk the bring the plan come.
So, which plan?
About this kidnapping. So
What do you take talk? Tell us as you talk on.
okay, say get one woman get small thing now. Say more we kidnap so that make people.
You see, I say now people they give them the information. People then they give them the information. Say somebody they he get money mona go kidnap oh. Then they make them they go. Now somebody they give them the information. My darling people, one have to be careful really.
Money. So that more use the money to.
Wait till maybe person can't go Nigeria now be say if you go Nigeria you can't carry bodyguard the waka. Your whole country again you no go feel safe. When you go other people Africa country you go feel safe the waka alone. But your own country you no go feel waka alone. How long person go take do this thing for Nigeria? How long, my darling people? This matter, they really have to. Police really have to really they hard working for this all those people. They make so that mean that they catch them.
Say arrange our life, more not do that kind of thing again. Now I say this thing now. When you conquer the reach here, now they cause me come down.
That's me.
Me follow them. Call leave the motor.
Yes.
Now I go follow them. So as a reach here, now that to pay the
Even
money
the
we
full
are
long darling people I
collect,
do skip some.
the 200,000 I go buy small food for us. The other one, the money my so I got to see the bag. They say my junior brother where they live.
What's your name?
Ibeo.
Huh?
Ibeo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Edo State.
Where in Edo?
Okada.
Okada. How you take join this kidnapping?
The way I tell you now, Okada, they use me,
It's Okada.
this man.
And they use you.
And I car by the drive. Sometimes I go see me, I carry and go market. I'll go buy something.
Okay, you said don't start to drive cab now.
Me, I never start.
But if you don't buy motor, and then you two they drive cab.
Is that the wrong word? So
As a
that
three of them and a cab now they do like that.
no, me never start.
So how you going to join this kidnapping?
You can't tell me say he ain't going one community where they go for Iguadolo side. Me I call the car and say he car no good.
I know why they do this video be say. If you get brother, they enter money. You better use this one till learn now. You better learn from all those ones where be say you get better handwork. You can't say na kidnapping. Now I can enter your eye. Now because of una make me they do this video. Anybody will see this video, help me to share it. Share them. Share them to everybody. Make they see them. Make they see what the apple for the world. You understand? Because These kind people, if your brother wash and if you see wetin happen to them now, because now they go put them for prison. Now only God know when they will take come out. Now they regret their life. So my darling people, I not go fit play all the video because the video is too long. So may we learn from this one. I beg my darling people, may we learn. May we dey use our HQ. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you go to hear many what bonga news where they come out for here, and always put thumbs up on my video anytime you watch it. Bye.